Now, vaccine doses continue to roll into the Portland area as nearly 3,000 doses arrived at the VA Portland today and will go on to help veterans and healthcare personnel at the Community Living Center in Vancouver. It's one of many health systems receiving vaccines this week. We go now to our Wayne Haverly joining us live tonight with more about the big task of sorting this all out. Wayne?
Yeah, Liz, we know that administering this vaccine, we've learned that it's not going to be a quick process, that is for sure. However, all of the healthcare workers that we've talked to in the last couple of days, they say that it is really boosting morale just seeing all those vials being shipped in. It's day 2 of the Pfizer vaccine rollout, and a few more Portland hospitals received a box or 2 of doses. Each box containing 975 doses, which will all go to critical care workers in the coming days.
This vaccine is the first step in a recovery process that gets us back to a new normal.
Next week, Phil Fogg Jr.'s independent pharmacy company, KOIN-6 Healthcare, will start receiving doses, which will go to seniors and staff inside the company's long-term care facilities.
The people we serve are in assisted living or skilled nursing facilities, and they don't have the ability to go to the retail pharmacy. And so it requires a long-term care pharmacy, which is what we have.
Seniors in these long-term care facilities have been the hardest hit in the pandemic, but the CDC did not include them as a top priority for the vaccine until senior organizations and Oregon Governor Kate Brown stepped in to help.
The first state to do it, the first governor to do it, and our residents and staff will be the first people that I know of in long-term care to be getting this vaccine. Now, there's going to be others that will quickly follow, but she's really been a pioneer.
The first shipments of vaccine targeted for these long-term care facilities will arrive next Monday. With COVID case counts and positivity rates at some of the highest levels we've seen, these healthcare workers say they feel like they're ending the marathon on a very steep hill. And KOIN-6 Healthcare pharmacies, they invested heavily in these freezers to keep the vaccines extra cold, which is one of the reasons they were approved for this. This process is probably going to take about 2 months to get to all the healthcare workers, the critical workers, and these long-term care facilities and their staff. And then after that, the general public's going to start getting the vaccinations. Back to you.
All right, Wayne, certainly an exciting time, but of course we all have to be patient in this process.